Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making strawberry jelly filled cracky donuts. Guys, this recipe is so easy to make, so refreshing and delicious. I like the texture of the donut, it's slightly crispy. One thing I like about this recipe is not so sweet like you would think. The fresh strawberries and the cracky donut speak for themselves. Guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Start by rinsing the strawberries under cold water. Then we're gonna slice them in half. Next, we're gonna place sliced strawberries in a non-stick pan with sugar, vanilla extract, lemon zest, Next, we're gonna make slurry, mixing water and cornstarch, then add it to the strawberries. Add red food coloring, is optional. We're gonna cook on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until strawberries are soft and the liquids are thickened. Then remove from the heat and let it cool at room temperature. In a large bowl, combine salt, sugar, and baking powder. Give it a good mix. Make a well in the middle, add melted butter, 2 beaten eggs, add the milk, then use a wooden spoon to mix until the dough comes together to form a soft ball. Using your hands, we're gonna knead the dough for good 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how the dough should look. Next, we're gonna dump the dough on a lightly floured surface. Dust the dough with the flour. Then with a lightly floured rolling pin, roll the dough to a thickness of about 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter. Next, use a 3.5 inches cookie cutter to cut the donuts. Then place each donut in the prepared parchment paper. This recipe makes 12 donuts. There's going to be some scraps. You're gonna re-roll and remake them. Now it's time to fry our donuts. I have my oil preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the donuts, making sure that they submerge right into the oil. The top should be covered by the oil, just like so guys. Fry the donuts for 2 minutes, then flip them after 2 minutes and fry for another 2 minutes. Then we're gonna flip them and fry them for the last 1 minute. Here's the way to check if your donut is done. Insert a fork in the middle of the donut, and if it comes out with a wet dough, it means it's not done. You may continue to cook it for another 30 seconds. Remove the donuts and place them on a cooling rack. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please consider to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Like the video, then leave a comment down below, guys. Please share my videos with your friends and your family. It helps this channel to grow. Is there anything, guys, that you would like to see Mama Bui's Kitchen do or change? I would love to hear your thoughts, guys. Leave a comment down below. I'll make sure to reply to each and every comment. Okay, our Cracky donuts are done, guys. They look amazing. They're like little muffins. We're gonna let them cool slightly in the cooling rack. Once they are cool enough, now we're gonna slice the donuts sideways, but not all the way through, to keep the strawberries in. Now we're gonna fill the donuts with jelly strawberry filling. Guys, this strawberry jelly filling is a bomb. You need to try it. Let me show you one more time. Dust with powdered sugar. There you have it, guys. Strawberry jelly filled donuts. I love to serve mine with an ice cream or with whipped cream, homemade whipped cream. Guys, I hope you'll try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.